Hello, friends. Today we will meet three tiny words, a, an, and the. They are like little helpers for our nouns. But first, let's talk about vowels and consonants. We have 26 letters in the English alphabet. Some letters are called vowels, A, E, I, O, U. All the other letters are consonants. Vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Consonants, all the rest like B, C, D, F, G, H, and so on. You don't need to remember all the consonants. There are too many. Just remember the vowels because we only have 5. A, E, I, O, U. All the other letters are consonants. Now you all know the vowels and consonants. Okay, let's go to our topic. A. We use A before words that start with a consonant sound. Here are some examples. Let's read the words. Ball. B is a consonant. Cat. C is a consonant. Dog. D is a consonant. Fan. F is a consonant. If we hear a consonant sound, we have to use, yes, you are correct. For a consonant sound, we use A. So we say a ball, a cat, a dog, a fan. Here are a few more examples. Goat, hat, jug, kite. Here, G, H, J, K are consonants, so we use A. A goat, a hat, a jug, a kite. If you hear a consonant sound, use A. Let's move on to the next. Using an. We use an before words that start with a vowel sound. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here are some examples. Let's read the words. Apple, A is a vowel. Egg, E is a vowel. Ice cream, I is a vowel. Orange, O is a vowel. If we hear a vowel sound, we have to use, yes, you are correct. For a vowel sound, we use an. So, we say an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange. Here are a few more examples. Elephant, igloo, oven, umbrella. Here, E, I, O, U are vowels, so we use an. An elephant, an igloo, an oven, an umbrella. If you hear a vowel sound, use an. Let's move on to the next. Using the. We use the when we talk about a special person, place, thing, or animal. Here are some examples. Let's read the words. Sun. Only one sun in the world. Moon. Only one moon in the sky. Earth. Only one earth. Sky. The sky above us. If it is something special or only one, we have to use yes, you are correct. For something special or only one, we use the. So we say the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Here are a few more examples. Taj Mahal, teacher, lion, rainbow, dog. These are special or specific, so we use the. The Taj Mahal, the teacher, the lion, the rainbow, the dog. Sometimes we use the when we already talked about something once. For example, I saw a dog in the park. Next time, I don't say a dog again. I say the dog. The dog was very friendly. That's because now we both know which dog we are talking about. First time, a dog, any dog. Second time, the dog, specific one we already know. I saw a cat sitting on the wall. The cat was black and white. First time we say a cat, any cat. Second time we say the cat, the same one we already know. If it is special, only one, or already known, use the. That's how we use the. A is for consonant sounds. An is for vowel sounds. The is for special, only one things. Let's test your brain. Here are your clues. A is for consonant sounds. An is for vowel sounds. The is for special, only one things. Remember the clues. Let's go. Read the words carefully. Time is over. Let's see the answer. An apple, a ball, the sky, a dog, an egg, a fish, a goat, an igloo, the sun, a jug, a kite, a lion. Next questions. Let's see the answer. The star, a bus, the moon, an orange, an ant, a pen, a van, the Taj Mahal, the earth, a monkey, an umbrella, a watch. Last one. Read the clues. Let's go. Read the sentences carefully. Time is over. Let's see the answer. This is a dog. The dog is brown. I see a cat. The cat is sleeping. I eat an apple. The apple is sweet. She has a ball. The ball is red. I want an orange. The orange is big. We saw a lion. The lion is strong. Congratulations, kids! You did a great job today. Who got 30 out of 30? Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe Simple Quack for more fun videos. Bye-bye. See you next time.